Hey there, it's Numistacker back with you for another video focusing on the Memorial Sovereign, but I've also got a few other gems towards the end of this video, so please pay attention to those as well. Okay, so the coins themselves are starting to come through from the Royal Mint. A lot of the individual coins are being delivered in stages by the Mint, so there'll be some people who get their coins right now this week. There'll be others who have to wait until the beginning of February, and I guess some coins may not arrive until the end of February, early March as well. From what I can see, the individual packaged coins are now arriving in people's mailboxes, but some of the sets of coins are going to be a little bit later. But I thought I would show you the packaged final coin and let you take a look at the Mint presentation in its entirety, as I do with regular unboxings. So what we have is a regular package Sovereign, similar packaging to the 2022 Sovereign that we saw earlier in the year. Comes with a very nice little booklet, and then some of the bigger sets will come with elongated versions of this booklet. The coin features this absolutely magnificent new Jody crown, highly decorative and probably the most attractive reverse, the most attractive reverse that has appeared on any special Sovereign so far, and one of the reasons why these coins are proving so popular. The coin you're looking at here is the half Sovereign. Quite a few collectors have gone for these coins because of the lower mintage. There are 3,000 odd of these coins in this particular special individual packaging, and then there are also these coins in the 3-coin set, the 4-coin set and the 5-coin set, making a total mintage of this particular coin in and out of the sets of around 6,500. Absolutely great little coin, and I think, I was worried when I first saw the design of this coin and some of the prototypes that it was going to be just too much on the coin, but it just does look incredibly grand. And then you've got the first portrait of Charles III on a coin on the back, or on the obverse, so it's difficult to know. So, to me it's the back, but actually in terms of these coins the portrait side is actually the front, which is, I know, a little bit counterintuitive and crazy and always trips me up. Moving quickly on to the next coin that I want to show you. So this is the 2-ounce gold proof version of the special Memorial coin. So this coin is the first coin with the Charles portrait, produced at the end of last year as a Memorial coin. I believe all of the coins, certainly all of the lower value coins in this range, were minted to order, with the close-off date being the 31st of December, and there were some coins like this one which were with a fixed maximum mintage. So a lot of the collectors on our group who bought these coins have bought these big gold coins. These were just over £5,000 brand new from the mint, and the first of these are now being graded, and this one will go in and have the Queen Elizabeth Memorial label on it. The last coin that I want to show you is the kind of coin that doesn't come in very often, but it's always pretty exciting to see one of these. This one comes in with a letter of authentication sent by the Mint to the previous owner of this coin. This is a 2p piece trial coin. So this is it goes back a way, because the 2p piece was one of the first decimal coins in 1971. This is a trial for the 2p piece, and it is made out of steel overlaid with copper. These were never really meant to be in circulation, so a rare find. Let me leave you today with some final images of the new Memorial Sovereign. It's a great coin. If you can find one of these coins and add them to your collection, I'm sure that you'll be pretty happy. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do click the button and get notified when the next video comes out.